Hey guys, welcome to Stay Tech, and this video is all about the camera of these two mobile phones. So I have tested the camera of these two phones in a low light surrounding. So basically we have the Huawei P20 with the Leica camera and the iPhone X, and both have dual lenses at the back. The Huawei P20, it has a 12 megapixel with 1.8 aperture with additional 20 megapixel and 1.6 aperture. So the aperture on this Huawei P20 is pretty low, and that is quite good. And the iPhone X, it has dual pixel as well, or dual camera. It has 12 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and additional 12 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. So I just tested these two mobile phones camera and see how this iPhone X will compete with the Huawei P20. So just take a look for yourself, and me myself, I was actually surprised in here as well. So by the way, yeah, just take a look on these pictures I took outside and let me know what you think. In this first picture, this is indoors. There is no light at all. The light's coming from the outside, but both camera actually didn't make any success on this. The next picture is same flowers, however I put the flash on these two mobile phones, and as I can see here that the Huawei P20 delivered the picture really well. It has really good contrast of color. It produced a color really nice than the iPhone 10. The next one is the orchid in my kitchen. In this picture, I've asked all the people about it, and they said that the Huawei P20 is overcolored than the iPhone 10. So the iPhone X picture looks natural than the Huawei P20, but I like the P20 on this picture. It's because the color is really crisp, and yeah, it's very colorful than the iPhone 10. And this is another indoor plant, and as I can see here, the iPhone X is actually a lot yellowy or brownish than the Huawei P20, so I'm gonna go for the P20 on here. It's produced color really nicely than the iPhone 10. The next picture is here, so it's a little bit hard to judge it because I prefer the Huawei P20 here, but the iPhone X looks natural, a lot natural than the P20. However, the P20 delivered the photo well because of the background. And in this picture, it's obviously that the Huawei P20 delivered the picture really well. The green bush is really green than the little bit brownish with the iPhone X. So I prefer the Huawei P20. That is an outside or outdoor shot and with low light around me. And these are more outdoor shots, so just take a look on this video, on these pictures, and let me know what you think. But as far as the video is concerned, or the photos is concerned, I prefer the Huawei P20, including the flash. The iPhone 10 with flash on was really horrible, so I didn't like it at all. And yeah, I would say P20 is a very good camera, and it's a win-win. If you like photography, or if you like low light photography, go for the P20, and that's gonna be perfect camera for you. Okay, so anyway, thank you for watching, guys. This is just a sample of all the camera test, low light photography of this new mobile phone. If you have any question, just give me a shout. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel as well. Okay, so thank you for watching. Goodbye.